Cordial saludo, estimada tutora y compañeros. A continuación les voy a hablar de las mejores vacaciones que he tenido. Es así. Greeting to that, I want to take to about my trip to Santa Marta, where I got with the family. The trip was a bit tiring, but when we realized that it was worth the first thing we did was to settle in a spacious room and rest for a while. Then we went out to explore the city as a family. We visited a cathedral in the natural. We visited Intergold museums. We explored in Quinta de San Alexandrino Outcomes. We visited the beaches we had to rodear that could not be missed. The rest of the day we enjoyed the city and its surroundings. And it encouraged the trip we didn't want to go back. We have not been on trips so long and as family. But that's how the age who were is because they were the best vacations we had so far. I hope we had vacations like this boat to another destination. Muchas gracias. Encontramos imágenes en los lugares que estuve con mi familia. Muchas gracias.